If you own an M140i, the Toyota Supra, or even an M240i like me, you've probably seen online of people's B58 engines with a lot of smoke coming out of the exhausts. Now this situation to me seems like a daily occurrence. I seem to see it almost daily of people starting their B58 engine up in the morning when it's cold, thinking that their engine has failed. So what exactly leads me to say this? And here is the slightly concerning question. Is this smoke that you see coming from the rear of the exhaust something to worry about? Or is it a totally normal thing that happens when you start your car on a cold morning? If we take a little look around right now, you can see that in the UK, we're in the middle of winter. It's very cold. Last video, I called a lot of B58 owners overconfident. In this video though, I'm going to show you guys why you have nothing to worry about with the smoke coming out of your exhaust. And in a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you a real life test you can do on this B58 engine to see how healthy your car is. Now let's get a little bit of backstory regarding what's happening here, because I see this a lot. You wake up nice and early, you're all ready to leave, you're out in your car starting it up at 7 AM in the morning. It's about 5 degrees outside. You start it up, cold start happens, or in my case, even cold starts off and it just starts up and idles fine. You do all that, you get in the car, and a minute later, you realise you've left something in the house. So you run straight back inside with the engine running. And what happens when you get outside your car and you go straight to the back, going back inside the house? You see a lot of smoke coming out of the exhausts and instantly your heart drops. I think I've seen this about 20 times on M140i group chats, on Facebook, BMW forums, people freaking out, wondering if their turbo seals have gone, if they've completely blown up their engine purely because there's some smoke coming out of the exhaust. Now when you press this start button, in my case starting up this big 3-litre B58 engine, something happens called combustion. Now combustion is a normal process of an engine functioning perfectly and well. But when you start this combustion cycle, hydrogen in the fuel meets oxygen in the air, and this creates H2O. Now this BMW engine, the B58, it's a big 3-litre straight 6, and this engine moves a lot of air. And in the morning, when you've started the car, when that hot water vapour hits the freezing cold exhaust pipes all underneath the car, etc., something happens. It creates steam, and that steam is the vapour that you're seeing coming out of your tailpipes on the back of this car. Now let's go back to our story. You've gone into the house to get something, and then you're paranoid now because you see all of this smoke coming out of the exhaust pipes. But one thing you'll notice, as that steam goes higher up into the air, you'll notice it vanishes, it disappears. If it was smoke from the PCV system failing, or your turbo seals have gone, for example, and that oil was burning in the cylinders, you'll notice that it kind of stays, it lingers, somewhat like a cloud. Now the main comment that I have seen when people post this type of issue on the forums, they're asking, is my PCV system ruined or is it broken? Well, let's be realistic for a second here with this engine. Now I know what everyone's going to say in the comments, that I hate the engine. I don't. I've said it's a gem before, I've said I love it, I've said it's amazing. But I'm sure we can all agree on one thing. This Gen 1 B58, it's kind of notorious for PCV issues. The PCV system will fail on this car at some point in its lifetime. Now this can happen at 20k miles, it can happen at 100k miles, but it is basically inevitable. To make this video clear and understandable to anybody who's watching it, whether you have a lot of car knowledge or you don't, this is where your PCV valve is located. It's at the back of the engine here, and this little cover simply clips on, but inside here you have a rubber diaphragm. So what happens to an engine when you start it? Well, the engine gets hot. What happens when you turn it off? The engine cools down. These are called heat cycles. The engine gets hot, cold, maybe even twice a day. I'm not going to bore you guys with a whole scientific video today about how the PCV system works, but over time, that rubber will become brittle because of the heat cycles, and it tends to rip, even a very small amount. So when this little diaphragm rips, the engine starts sucking in its own oil, burning it into the cylinders, and that is that smoke that you see out of the exhaust. Now in that case, that can be quite an issue. Now very shortly, I am actually going to show you a little trick to test how healthy your B58 engine is. After researching this video, I don't actually have a spare PCV system, but after doing some research on this issue, I will be keeping a spare one in the boot, so if anything fails, I can change it out straight away. The part isn't even expensive, it's like £30, which in reality is a really cheap BMW part. We're just going to talk about a few issues that are telltale signs that show that your PCV system is broken or it needs changing or the valve is broken. Now number one, we talked about that smoke coming from the exhaust. Not the vapour from water, but actual oil burning. That is the smoke caused by this issue. Another thing you can hear is at idle, you might notice a really high-pitched whistle. And that's the engine sucking in air from other places that it shouldn't. And another thing, if you tune your car, in my case with MHD, that crankcase pressure when you go up to a stage 1 or stage 2 increases. So PCV diaphragms are even more prone to failing. Now I did promise you all a little test you can do, which takes about 10 seconds to actually see how well your engine is running and if you're having any issues with your PCV system. Now to actually do this test, you don't have to do it, but I am going to warm the engine up. It just gives a little bit of a better result. So we're going to take this for a quick drive, warm the engine up so it's at operating temperature, and then we can perform the test. So we're driving the car right now. We're just going to drive it for about 5 minutes just to get it up to somewhat of an operating temperature, and then we can perform this test. And this test is super easy, and you guys need literally nothing to actually do it, and it'll basically give you a judge of how well your PCV system is operating and whether your engine is healthy. And of course I've parked, and directly outside of me is a puddle. Am I literally that unlucky that I've parked directly outside of a puddle? Let's get back so I can actually get out of the car. So is this the problem? You can see I'm getting absolutely covered in this so-called smoke. Has my B58 blown up? Has my PCV system completely failed? Or is this just a simple thing that happens because it's cold outside? So let's do the test. First of all, you're going to open the bonnet, or the hood if you're American. The B58. So to quickly talk you guys through how this is going to work, you're going to open your bonnet like I have done here, remove your engine cover if you have to, then you have to start the engine. You have to perform this test with the engine running. You're going to find your oil filter cap, and then you're going to undo it while the engine is running. This is the key part. There should be a little bit of vacuum. You should be able to remove it, but it should be sucked on to the actual crankcase itself. If there's no vacuum, that's an issue. If there's too much vacuum and you can't actually pull it off, then that is a sign that your PCV system or the diaphragm or anything like that is on its way out, as well as other signs like smoke out of the exhaust, bad idle, the whistling sound we talked about, etc. So without any further ado, let's start this up, let's perform the test and see how healthy my Gen 1 B58 is. Now hopefully you guys can hear me okay, but the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this plastic engine cover and just put this to the side temporarily. Now you would have noticed that my injectors are now 100 times louder. I can barely hear myself talk, but you do have to do this test with the engine running, and it simply is a case of undoing your oil filler cap and seeing if there's any suction. If you struggle to lift this off, there's some issues with your PCV system. If there's no suction at all, that's also an issue. You want a little bit of suction, so let's try that now. Now before we take it off, you might notice the engine hesitates or wants to stall, or it may run completely fine. So in my case, you can hear the air leaking, but it comes off fine, and if we do that, and there we have it, guys. That is how you perform the test. I got the microphone a little bit closer so you could actually hear the air leaking into the crankcase. And there was a little bit of suction, but again, I could pull it off with ease. So there were no issues there. When you forget to lock your house and you have to go back in and you see that smoke bellowing out of the exhaust tips, don't be alarmed, because if that smoke disappears, it's more than likely water vapor and you've got condensation coming out of the exhaust and nothing to worry about. If you're driving the car quite hard and you see a lot of smoke coming out of it, then that is something to worry about. There's loads of definitions of what the smoke means coming out of the exhaust. There's loads of pictures online. I'll put a little picture on screen for you guys to see here, but it's a little bit of knowledge for you guys to know. Don't worry too much. I hope the PCV test helped you guys out as well. So there we have it, guys. If you want to see more content on my M240i, then hit the subscribe button down below. We're getting this car on track in less than 4 weeks' time. It's going to be brilliant. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.